Hey guys, this is Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. The outboard is optioned with the 150. It is a black Merc. That is the upgraded motor for this boat. Right in front of it is your ski tow pylon. When that engine drops down, you have a nice clearance right over the engine for skiing, tubing, whatever you want to do. Great feature here that Sea Ray's created. Since it is an outboard, this was the engine compartment for the I.O. Great place for storage, for fenders, life jackets, tubes, anything you could dream of. Awesome feature on Sea Ray is the hinge seats. So this is a cooler, but what's nice is the little kids can hop in there. Seat won't come off if it's choppy or if they're, messing around. It'll stay right in place. This boat also has the stainless steel upgraded grab handle, cup holders, and latches. Moving forward to the helm, you have a Fusion stereo, which can hook up AM, FM, and Bluetooth right to your phone. 3 gauges with a depth finder. Nice blacked out helm wheel, throttle, and a nice comfy captain's chair. We do have a blue bimini top, which will match the blue whole side color of the boat. Port side lounger, awesome feature right there. Again, you can see the stainless steel, a couple more cup holders, Fusion stereo speaker. You also have glove box. Here's the owner's manual right there. You do have some storage in here. Right now we have the prop in there. I'll let Peter go up to the front. So in the bow, you have a roomy bow with 2 forward-facing loungers. Nice stitching in that stone interior, this gray interior. You do have storage underneath, more cup holders, more grab handles, more speakers. This boat has a lot to offer you. If you want to come check it out, come to Brick, New Jersey, MarineMax, or visit us online at marinemax.com. My name is Frank and Teskey. Thank you guys.